Hey y'all, today we are talking about an interesting subject, and it's shaving your face. I know there's tons and tons of videos showing you how they do it and what they use, and this has been around for quite some time now, and a lot of us do it. So if you do it, I'm going to show you the best razors to use for this. I found these at Walmart about 4 months ago, and I have used nothing else but these. These are by far the best razors. They're a little bit thicker, they're more sturdy, they last way longer. I'm telling you, you need to get these razors if you do this. Before, I was using these little cheap razors. They're like the twinkle ones, I believe is what it's called. They look like this. The blade is just, it's not good. I mean, to be honest, I would get breakouts and almost razor burn on my face, and I hated these, but there wasn't really an alternative until I found these. This is the Revlon face defuzzer. So it's what they're made for. It's strictly to shave your face. So this says smooth and perfect, gently removes peach fuzz and smooth skin. They come in a 2-pack. You get a red one and a white one. They have a cap over them. This is the one we're going to use today. But like, there's a clear difference in these two. This is just way better. It's more well made. It's a lot heavier, thicker handled, not just cheap plastic. But the main thing is the razor. Like, you guys have all seen like eyebrow razors, things like that. This does not look like that. Like, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. Let me see if we're focusing. But it's so totally different. These would even rust super easily on me. So I'm going to scoot in a little closer here, and I'm going to show you shaving my face. So I just kind of move over here, and I just start going down, and you will start to see all the hair on my face. Like, I can see it kind of going airborne. Like, can you guys see all that nastiness? Yes. We got a little bit of sideburn hair in there, but watch as I keep going down. And before I started, you couldn't really see hair on my face, but trust me, it is there. Look at all that. Like I said, there's a lot of sideburn hair in there as well. But you guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on my hand, but that is the peach fuzz. It is insane. Like, there's no going over it repeatedly, because with those other cheap razors, I would have to go over it and over it. Like, do you guys see all that? That's crazy, isn't it? Let me stick it up here. Maybe it'll focus. But I would have to keep going over it. And that's what would inevitably cause all of the irritation on my skin. I'm not saying, oh, if you don't do this, go out and buy these razors and shave your face. That's not what I'm saying, because this is an extra step that you have to take, and I do this once a week. But it's so smooth. Makeup goes on so much better, but it is an extra step. But that's all I do, you guys. It is so easy. And you can see all the peach fuzz that's coming off. Look at all that. That's crazy, isn't it? But these are by far the best. And if you have sensitive skin like I do, you do not have to keep going over and over and over. You just kind of keep going in a downward angle. Kind of little short strokes. And the hair will just come off. So, I know this was a short video, but I had to show you guys this amazing find at Walmart. I don't know if they have them at other drugstores, but they're in like the nail section where they have like the eyelash curlers and things like that. They run the top shelf. They still have them, thank goodness. But I love these, you guys. If you do, try these out. I'm so serious. They're so smooth. They don't kind of tug on your face. You don't have to pull on your face. They're just that good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.